Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fonts into CapCut PC. So go to any website and download some fonts. I'm just going to use this website. I'm just going to download this fashion script one. Start downloading that, and I'm just going to select open. I'm just going to select the font and I'm just going to install it, and it will pretty much get installed into your CapCut PC app. It's not going to show up first, so you might want to close that and reopen CapCut again. Oof, laggy. Sorry about that. Let me just close this. There we go. Close the program. It's gonna close by itself, I guess. And then you are just going to open up CapCut again. Let's see, what's the font called again? Fashion script. All right. Go to text and add default text, and just go to font and search the font that you just downloaded. Fashion script. Let's turn off presets, and in system font, as you can see, the font will be there. Ta-da! And that is basically it. Really super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!